G'day. We are in the midst of the modern day gin craze and gin and tonics rule supreme. Today on Let's Talk Drinks, I'm going to show you 6 easy, simple to make gin and tonic serves that are super tasty. Hi guys, so today I'm going to start with the savoury style gin and tonic. I'm going to use Gin Mare, which is a gin that's made just outside of Barcelona in Spain. It has olives, thyme, rosemary and basil. I'm going to do 45ml serves, so feel free to make a 30ml serve if you like, but if everybody's been to Spain, you will know that they love adding heaps of gin in their gin and tonics. Next up, I'm just going to add some ice. So the tonic water that I'm going to use for this serve is the Fever Tree Mediterranean tonic water. I really love this. It has lemon, thyme and rosemary. I like to add some lemon to it and a rosemary, and that's your first serve. For my next serve, I'm going to make something with a sloe gin. I'm going to use Hayman's Sloe. It is a gin that's just been macerated with sloe berries that come from the blackthorn tree. Super delicious as well. 45ml. Add some ice to that. And I'm going to use the Fever Tree Lemon Tonic. It has Sicilian lemons in it. It is nice and bitter and works really well with the sweetness of the Hayman's Sloe gin. A really simple garnish, just a twist. And that's number 2. Serve number 3, from Scotland, Hendrick's Gin. Another amazing gin. It has a cucumber and rose essence. So I'm going to do 45ml of the Hendrick's Gin. Add some ice to that. I do like using plenty of ice in my gin and tonics. And what I'm going to match with that for my tonic water is the Fever Tree Elderflower Tonic. I find that the elderflower goes really well with this gin because of the floral notes from the rose as well. And elderflower works really well with cucumber as well. Really simple garnish. I've just used a little ribbon, couple ribbons of cucumber. Easy to make at home. Gin and tonic serve number 4. Now, there is no way on earth that I can't do one without Bombay Sapphire. We would not be where we are in this gin craze if it wasn't for Bombay Sapphire bringing out this gin. Going to start with 45ml of the London Dry style. Going to add some ice to that. Okay. And the tonic water that I'm going to use is the Fever Tree Aromatic tonic water. It does have Angostura bark in it. It looks amazing. Pink gins are huge at the moment. Not that it's a pink gin, but it looks very pink. And for the garnish I like with this is some strawberries and cracked pepper. This is a really good one too. Serve number 5, we are in the home stretch now guys. I'm going to use Martin Miller's Westbourne Strength. It is a little bit stronger than the others. It's 45.2% alcohol. It is made in London and then shipped to Iceland, and they use the purest Icelandic waters in it. It's incredible gin too. So, some ice. And the tonic water that I'm going to use for this, it is just arrived in Australia. It's incredible. It is Fever Tree Cucumber Tonic Water. The reason why I'm using this is because Martin Miller's also has a cucumber essence in it. I love Hendrick's, but everybody thinks that they're the only one with a cucumber. Martin Miller's also does as well. And how easy is the garnish? It is just a slice of cucumber. Don't forget guys, you can add a little bit more citrus to all of these gin and tonics, and also please hit subscribe, give us a like or a comment. We'd love to hear your feedback. And lucky last guys, I have to do an Australian gin because obviously I'm Aussie. We're going to use 4 Pillars. This gin is just on fire in Australia and taking off globally as well. It is a citrus driven gin, and I'm going to use 45 mils again. of their rare dry. And for the tonic water for this one, I'm going to use Clementine tonic water. It's another new one here in Australia from Fever Tree. Just balances and works really well with the citrus that's in the Four Pillars rare dry. And for a garnish, I like to use just an orange twist, just to get those oils. I discard that, and a piece of blood orange. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Really easy to make. Feel free to let me know if you have any other recipes that you enjoy, and I might be able to feature them in a video again. See you next time on Let's Talk Drinks.